Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how a tiny seed can grow into a massive tree? Or how plants seem to create food out of thin air? The answer is a magical, life-giving process called photosynthesis. Today, we're going to dive deep into this green factory and uncover how plants transform our planet. So, what exactly is photosynthesis? Think of it as nature's original solar power plant. Plants have this incredible ability to take sunlight, water, and something we breathe out, carbon dioxide, and turn it into their own food. This process isn't just amazing. It's the foundation of nearly all life on Earth. Let's zoom in a little closer. Inside every leaf, there are tiny green powerhouses called chloroplasts. These contain a special pigment called chlorophyll, which is what gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll's job is super important. It absorbs sunlight, capturing its energy. This is the spark that kicks off the entire reaction. It's like the on switch for the plant's food-making machine. Now, with the sun's energy captured, the plant gets to work. It pulls in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through tiny pores on its leaves. Kind of like how we breathe. It also draws up water from the soil through its roots. These two ingredients, carbon dioxide and water, are the raw materials. Using the energy from the sun, the plant rearranges their molecules in a complex chemical dance. The result of this amazing transformation is two crucial products. First, glucose, which is a type of sugar. This is the plant's food, its energy source. It uses this glucose to grow taller, produce flowers, fruits, and seeds. Any extra glucose is stored away for later, much like how we store energy in our bodies. But what about the second product? This one is a game changer for us and almost every other animal on the planet. As a byproduct of making its food, the plant releases oxygen. That's right, the very air we breathe is a gift from plants. Every breath you take is thanks to this incredible process happening all around us, every single day. Now, the rate of photosynthesis isn't always the same. It can speed up or slow down depending on the conditions. Think of it like a factory production line. If you have more light, say on a bright sunny day, the factory can run faster. Similarly, if there's more carbon dioxide available in the air, the plant can produce more glucose. Up to a certain point, temperature and water availability also play huge roles. It's a delicate balance that plants have mastered over millions of years. So why does this all matter? Well, beyond providing the oxygen we need to survive, photosynthesis is the ultimate source of energy for most ecosystems. Animals eat plants to get their energy, and other animals eat those animals. It all starts with a plant capturing a sunbeam. This process forms the very base of the food chain. Without photosynthesis, our world's intricate web of life would collapse. Furthermore, in an age where we're concerned about climate change, photosynthesis plays a vital role. Plants are natural carbon scrubbers. They actively pull carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, out of the atmosphere and lock it away in their own structure, in their leaves, stems, and roots. Forests, oceans full of phytoplankton, and even your little houseplant are all part of this massive, global effort to balance our climate. They are our greatest allies in maintaining a healthy planet. So the next time you see a tree, a flower, or even a simple blade of grass, take a moment to appreciate the silent, powerful work it's doing. It's not just sitting there. It's a bustling factory, turning sunlight into life, cleaning our air, and feeding the world. It's a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of everything on our planet. Thanks so much for watching and exploring the magic of photosynthesis with me today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our natural world, and share this video with someone who might find it cool. See you in the next one.